I've been exploring the NerdWallet app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the NerdWallet app. First, let's talk about what NerdWallet's Smart Money app actually offers. It's a free personal finance app that lets you track your net worth in one place by pulling in your cash accounts, credit cards, loans, investments, and even property values. Then layering on insights about your credit score and cash flow to help you make more informed money moves. Beyond tracking, it leans into earning and growing your money with a high-yield cash account and access to U.S. Treasury bill investing and automated portfolios through its partner Atomic, including features like direct indexing and tax loss harvesting that you usually see with more advanced robo-advisors. Now, let's discuss the interface and what it's like to actually use the app. The overall design is clean and straightforward, with a single net worth dashboard that makes it easy to see where you stand at a glance. And most users seem happy enough that the app holds a 4.8 out of 5 rating from over 100,000 reviews, which suggests the layout and day-to-day experience generally land well. You also get regular what's new style updates and in-app education that ties headlines and market moves back to your finances, which helps the app feel more like an ongoing coach than just a static tracker. That said, there are some real downsides and frustrations to be aware of. Like a lot of fintech apps, NerdWallet is built around cross-selling financial products, and it also earns money when users open certain investment and cash accounts through Atomic, which does create potential conflicts of interest that not everyone will love, even though that's clearly disclosed. A small but vocal group of reviewers also complain about customer support and account access issues, including difficulty canceling or getting help quickly, which is a sharp contrast to the overwhelmingly positive ratings and is something to keep in mind if you value fast, human support. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.